How to use Trello.com Trello tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how to use Trello.com, how you can create your own boards with Trello and create your productive workspace. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to Trello.com and sign up for Trello. Trello is an amazing project management software that allows you to manage your everyday task and your work project as well. You can create different boards on Trello and you can add task lists and manage them better. So the signing up process for Trello is really easy. You can simply sign up with your Google account or you can sign up with your email address and set up a password. That's it. And then you will get your own dashboard on Trello. This is my dashboard on Trello. You can see right here. I will show you everything how you can create a new workspace on Trello, and then we'll create a board in that workspace, and then I'll show you how to create task and what are the different tools we can use in order to create a task and help us manage it better. So before we get into the platform itself, we get into the features and tools. Let's check out the pricing as well so you have an idea about the affordability of the platform. So this is the pricing plan for Trello. You can see right here we have a plan which is completely free. It is $0. So if you enjoy free plans, then this is a good news for you. I personally use free plan as well, and we get different options such as unlimited cards and up to 10 boards per workspace with the free version. Then we have a standard plan which is going to be $5 per user per month, and then we have a premium plan which is going to be $10 per user per month, and then we have an enterprise which is going to be 17.50 USD per user per month. As the user increase, let's say you have maybe 1,000 users, then it is going to be round about 13.07 USD. And the features, of course, increase with the pricing. You get different views, you get organization wide permissions, you will get power up administration, attachments, priority support, and different views as well. So you can simply sign up and get started with any of these plans. And I have kind of like started with the free plan. You can also upgrade to this one or try this one out for free. Again, the signing up process is really easy. You will simply get started and create your own account with your simple Google account as well. So after the initial sign up, now you have your own Trello. Let me show you how you will use it. So you will actually find nothing right here because I already have few of the workspaces. That is why I am seeing my boards right here. But what you have to do is you can either click on create right here, which allows you to create a new workspace, or you will see this option right here, workspace, and this plus icon. Simply click right here and it will allow you to create your own new workspace. What is a workspace? Workspace is simply, let's just say you have different companies, then you will create a workspace for each company, and then you will add different boards into that workspace, and then each board will have different tasks. So the workspace name, let's call this one how to global. There you go. Then we have workspace type, which kind of workspace it is. It is an educational, CRM, small business, or marketing. I'm gonna go with a small business. Then we have to add a description. So right now I am just going to be adding YouTube channel. There you go. And now simply click on continue and it will allow you to create your own workspace. So I have to add different members into my workspace, but for now I'm gonna do this later and I will invite few people to my workspace, of course, because we will be creating a team. So I'm just gonna click on I'll do this later, and now Trello will create my own workspace. So you can see right here, my workspace has been created, how to global, and this is the description and this is the logo. I can simply go ahead and change the logo as well. Now the next step is going to be creating boards. So I can either go ahead and create a board from the scratch, and I will be able to add different lists and things into it. But I can also go with different templates. So on Trello we get a lot of different templates. You can actually go for these templates right here. You can actually check them out first and then you can create a board. or simply click right here and create a board from the scratch. I'm gonna go ahead and create a board from the scratch, and this is going to be the background for now. Or we can simply go ahead and select any image if we want to, or you can simply select a color. So let's go with this image right here. This looks good, so I'm gonna select this one. And now we have to add a board for this one. So let's call this board content creation. There you go. The workspace is going to be how to global, and the visibility is workspace. Again, click on create and your new board on this workspace will be created. So my board has been created. You can see right here, this is the name of the board, and this is the board view. I can simply go ahead and check out the calendars dashboard map right here. Then we have the workspace visibility. We have invite option. If I click on invite, I will be able to invite different people. Then we have automation option, filter, and show menu as well. So we will add a list right here. Let's go with a first list, which is going to be to do. Let's add another list, which is going to be in progress. Let's add another list, which is going to be complete. Let's add another one, which is going to be error, if any of the video or any of the content has any error in it. So now I have 4 lists right here. I have to do, in progress, and complete. Let's add different cards into it. Different cards mean adding a task into your list. So now I have, let's say I have 3 tasks to do that I want to add in content creation. So I will simply click on add card, and let's call it task 1 and add card. Let's add another one, task 2, and let's add the task number 3. Simply click on add task. So these are the 3 tasks that I have added. Now I will simply click right here and it will open it up the task for me. I can do a lot with the task within Trello. I can add date, I can add the labels, I can add members, whatever I want to do. So this is the name of my task. Description, you can add any description, of course, whatever your task will be. So for now, let's just say that you have to record video. Let's just say this is the description, and I'm going to click on save. After that, you will see the members right here. So right now it is just me, so I'm going to assign this task to myself. You can see right here, now this is assigned to me. If I want to add other members, I will add from here. Then we have the labels. You can create different labels within your task. So let's go with this green one, and let's actually give it a name and call it recording. There you go. And I'm gonna save. Let's add another one, which is going to be script needed. So you can create labels like this, for example, recording and script needed, or anything you want to. So let's say that the task 1 needs recording and it also needs a script. So I will add these labels, and now everybody in my team will be able to check out the labels that this task needs recording and script. And if I want to add others, I will simply click right here and then I will name it and set a color for the label. Then we have the dates option. In dates, I can simply go ahead and add a date for my task. Let's say let's add tomorrow's date for this one, and then simply click right here and it will be saved. Then we also have the attachment. I can attach any file to my task. And then we also have the cover option. Cover allows you to add different colors or different backgrounds into your task. So let's add this color right here, and this is going to be the cover for my task 1. Now simply close it and you will see that it will be added right here. You can see it has all the information. It has the labels, it has the assignee, everything is shown right here. And now I can just go ahead and add different details into different tasks. To move a task, it's a simple drag. Let's say task 1 is in progress, so I will move it right here. Let's say task 2 is completed, so I will move it right here. So this is a simple drag option right here. So this is like basically how you will use Trello.com. After that, we have the recent option. We have start, templates are shown right here. When I click on create, I will be able to create a new board. To create new board, simply click right here. Then we can also click right here and I will be able to check out all my boards right here. Then we have members option, we have settings, we have views, table, and calendar view is also available. And I can also switch between my workspaces from here, this option right here. So this is how you use Trello.com. Super easy to use and a very easy platform and efficient platform platform to help you manage your team better, and you can actually create your task, create list, and create these boards within your Trello to get more productive and creative. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to use Trello as a beginner. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.